Hey, Alex here with Advanced Micro Devices. I'm going to be pretty fast. I'm going to repeat myself. Today you received the trade signal as soon as the share price got to $34, and you have here on the chart the representation of the investment process in Advanced Micro Devices in the past few months. And the comment is very explicit. Clients, they take profits $34, as I was informed today. I also informed you in the platform, and therefore I would like to congratulate everyone. I still believe that we have the best customers in the world, from very small investors joining the service with just $8,000, making triple-digit return on investments as you have on the reviews, all the way up to billionaires. I don't have any further comments on that other than to say that as you are also informed for years, I know what Advanced Micro Device is going to do. I respect the customer's decision to abandon the stock at $34. I fully comprehend, and I don't have any further comments on that other than to congratulate all of you, because you deserve also our own respect, because you, or most of you, strictly followed our instructions investing in this company as well as in every single other, and you comprehended the investment process that in the end is the most important, and by comprehending and following up, you deserve entirely the profits that you obtained, and therefore no one here ever is going to question your decision to take profits at $34 and therefore to sell your investment position. Thank you. Bye.